Good morning and welcome to your virtual unit training assembly. We are conducting the UTA virtually to ensure your safety, but still ensure our mission readiness during the COVID-19 pandemic. Here is the syllabus for the virtual UTA. In the description below, you will find the links to the video portion of the virtual UTA. You can also select the UTA playlist under the 445th Airlift Wing YouTube page. There is mandatory training as well as elective training. All of the listed videos are mandatory items. To receive credit, please select approximately 5.5 to 6.5 hours of training. You will be given credit for a lunch and physical training. If you have specific tasks that are required for your individual sections, please get with your supervisor to coordinate and verify. Unit commanders will provide unit-specific guidance regarding how each squadron will accomplish the virtual UTA. Notify your supervisor at the beginning of this UTA of what training you will accomplish during the virtual UTA and coordinate your schedule with them. The key to this training will be flexibility and trust. You must submit proof to receive credit for the work you have completed. For ADLS courses, you can submit your transcript or certificates of completion. For EPRs, decorations, or other admin documentation, the documentation itself is proof. 40As will be certified and UTAPs updated upon receipt of the required documents. The 445th FSS communications element will be available to provide on-call communication support for VPN, desktop anywhere, and to unlock accounts during the UTA. Keep in mind, if you don't need to use VPN or desktop anywhere, please don't use them so others can. ADLS does not require either. Thank you for your flexibility. Stay safe, and we'll see you soon.